Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. Check here. Huh? Came with a sticker. So this laptop is coming from a repair shop, and what the customer is saying, HP Pavilion screen brightness dim. When adjusting brightness, it flickers and stays dim. Verify no driver issue. Clean driver installed, same issue. Issue persistent BIOS too. Another company, according with the customer, try a new screen which didn't fix it. Hence, they came to me. So it can only be a motherboard issue, I guess. Yeah, you know what? Those kind of faults are very tricky. And usually I'm not even trying to diagnose the fault. I'm trying to make it work by simulating the EC signals for them. So I can't fix this as original. All what I can do, I mean, I don't even know. So what can be the, so you have the dim signal and the LED on signal, right? Okay, they are coming from the EC chip. What you can diagnose there? I mean, the track is going to the EC chip. If it's not going, you can buy like a screen ribbon cable, and after you replace the screen ribbon cable, you realize, wait, it's doing the same thing. So you spend money for nothing. Because that wire, yeah, it's like a low voltage, low current data line, and it will never get broken on a laptop. So you don't know why you don't have the dim signal or the LED on signal. I'm assuming the inverter voltage is present. So all what we can do is to, some people it will call this dodgy, and making like working with full brightness. So because the laptop has been open already, yeah, we can see it's coming on, it's coming out. As I will say, let's go on the back of the screen and try to figure it out from there. Yeah, it is coming out easily, the frame. The screen indeed, I can see, is looking like has been replaced. The frame indeed is cracked. But pretty nice from the computer shop to put a sticker, okay, it's cracked. We know that. Because otherwise, they can say, no, it was not cracked. You crack it. Yeah, they can say that. Okay, this is proper stuck here. Yeah, but it is. It is coming out. We didn't test it. Yeah, I know we didn't test it. So let me take the frame out. Let me take the screen out. Ha. That's beautiful. And they have the board, they have everything here. So this is our playground, yeah? Good. Let me plug a charger or let me power on. Yeah, it is coming on. You can see the light there. You can see the HP logo. Check that, yeah? No, we are not gonna disconnect the battery, yeah? From a simple reason. When the doctor is working, yeah, he's doing like a surgery, like, something on your body, doesn't disconnect the heart. So if the doctor can, why we cannot? So that's the thing. I want to feel like a doctor, you know what I mean? So let's open this thingy, which is covering the board. And let's try to have a look there. And the inverter, I believe it's exactly here. What did you said? We are not doctors. Yeah, but we can be. You never know. You never know when you stop fixing laptops and you start the university. Learning how to perform surgeries. Uh-huh. Okay, we do have a problem here. We don't know what's going on here. So we have a chip, but I can't see any signals, nothing. So this is the inverter. Maybe we can find the chip online. Oh, that would be beautiful. Let me check on Google. Probably not, but that would be beautiful. BOE. So it's nothing on Google, but nothing. Like absolutely nothing on Google about this chip. And that sucks. Just a small incision here. Perfect. Perfect. So that's the screen. Let's check on the other side if we have any indication on the board. Is saying anything about the signals? Yeah, it is saying, yeah, so check here. Here we have PWM LED, yeah? So this signal has to be 3.3. Here you have VLED out. Probably that's 20 volts up to 40 volts. And here we have VLED in. Probably this is the voltage. Okay, this sucks. You know what? I know what screen it is. I do have a video on this screen. So you have the PWM LED, but the dim signal is actually coming from a chip from this board. Yeah. So based on the contrast, you have the brightness. Okay, this kind of sucks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start the laptop. Yeah. Let's see which signal is missing. I'm gonna press the power on. Power on. So the laptop is on right now. Yeah, you can see picture on the screen. So we have here 2.4. So we do have voltage. Yeah, we do have voltage. Okay, that sucks. Here is the input voltage. Yeah, 10.6, which is the battery voltage. 10.6. Here is the output. Wait, what? Check on the output. Wait, so actually, but the people said they replaced the screen. Actually, it's a screen issue, 26 volts. With 26 volts, we should have brightness, yeah? So they didn't replace the screen, no. You can see, 26 volts. So we should have full, no, I'm not sure if it's full brightness, but I can try, yeah? Let me try 1 second. 1 second. I need a ground here. Let me switch the brightness up and down. Nothing happened. FN and brightness, nothing happened. That's interesting. Here we have 2.5. Changing the brightness, nothing happened. Okay, I'm not happy with this. because here we do have voltage on the inverter, 26 volts. So what will happen next? Next, we're going to go on the back of the screen and check closely. Yeah, you can see the screen flickering, but the picture, no, actually the backlight is flickering. Yeah, the backlight, you can see a flash. Not sure. Yeah, check that, you can see it. You can see it. So the backlight is flickering. Do you think because of the 2.5 volts? I'm a little bit confused. Or, one second, because there is no 3.3, it's actually 2.5, right? Let's check here. The laptop is still on. I mean, I'm curious how you will fix a fault like this. I'm curious how the other people are doing these kind of jobs. How you will diagnose. So here you have 2.8. Here you have 2.9, 2.8, 2.8. Okay, where is the high voltage? Here you have 26 volts, yeah. And that sucks. We have 26. We have a fuse here, lol. No, that's the input fuse. 11 volts, 11 volts. That's the input one. So let me check something, yeah? What do we have here? Here we have 2.5 volts. Here we have 2.5. Here we have 3.2. Interesting. Here we have nothing. And here we have 1 volt. So here you have 2.5, and here you have 3. So if we are shorting the thingies, nothing changed on the brightness, right? No. Let me be dodgy till the end, yeah? Give me 1 second. Because I want to check the output voltage. But it's nothing to check. I mean, what I'm doing here? I have 26 on the screen and I have no backlight. That's a screen issue. Let me power off the computer. The cable is fine. It is fine. There's no problem with the cable. We have 3 tracks. Check that. All 3 tracks are together. You can see. So the plus 3 tracks. You can see. The inverter is working. We have 11 volts on the input. We have 26 at the output. The inverter is on and working. Remember when I told you the dim signal is coming from this? From this chip is coming. From this little prick. I have a video where I just reflow this chip and start working. Yeah, so the dim signal is coming from here. And I don't know where it's coming, that's the thing. But I know what I'm gonna do. So, one more time. 1 second, yeah. Let's get this straight. Here you have 0. Here you have 0. Here you have 2.4. Here you have nothing. It's risky playing with things which, are... we don't know the schematic of this. We don't know what those pins are doing. Which one it is, yeah. Okay, let me power on the... Yeah, I'm gonna try something risky. I'm gonna try something risky. So here we have 2.5. Here we have 2.5. Here we have 3.1. And here we have nothing. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna come with the power supply with 3.3 with very low current, yeah? Let's lower the current because we don't want to burn anything. Very low current, yeah? 160 milliamps should be fine. Now let's come and let's see if we have backlight. So here nothing and I can't see anything. Here nothing. No, I can't see anything. Or I cannot touch with the tweezer. So here is nothing. Here is nothing. Here is nothing. And here is nothing. No, no backlight. No backlight. This is a faulty screen. I'm proper sure it's a faulty screen. What you will do in my case? We already have like 20 minutes. I mean, we have 26 volts on the screen. I mean, it's nothing to check here. 26. Check on the screen. 26 on the output. So this must be some LED issue inside of the screen. You see here. What can I do more? Lol. So the inverter chip brand is the same with the screen brand, BOE. You know what? I cannot. You see, it is brightness. You can't see. It is brightness very low. Very low brightness, and the screen is flickering. Let me try something, yeah? But this is the last thing what I will try. No, it's not change. No. Okay, I can adjust the brightness from the screen. Not sure if you can see. So check here, yeah? I can adjust the brightness. Let's see what is happening on the chip. Haha. Yeah, let's see. If something is happening on the chip, that means it's the screen. If nothing happened on the chip, we are still digging in, yeah? Yeah, perfect. Max brightness. Nothing, okay. You know what? It's not the screen. It's not the LED. It's the screen. It has an issue. What issue? I have no idea. 1 volt. But it is a screen issue, I believe. I don't know. Must be, right? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna push my luck. I'm gonna push it badly. Let's go with 3.3 on few points here. 2.8 and 2.8. The input voltage is 10.9. Let me plug a charger. Charging, but nothing happened. What about the voltage on the inverter? $11.9. Yeah, that's the main power rail, which has the battery voltage. So what we should do? So we do have picture, but it's flickering and low brightness. I believe it's a faulty screen. That's what I believe. But what about if I come with 30 volts on the inverter? What do you think it will gonna happen? Yeah, let's come. So let me switch to 30 volts. Yeah. It's not even working 30. Current, low current. Yeah, something like that. So we are coming with 30 volts on the inverter. What the hell? It's working. Check here. It's working perfect with 30 volts. I was nearly to order the screen. But actually, the screen is faulty. Yeah, must be faulty. So with 30 volts, like perfect picture. Check that, perfect. 80 milliamps. Perfect. What is faulty? Hmm? The EC chip sending the dim signal or the screen? But the EC chip is not speaking with the inverter, not on this model. The EC chip is speaking with that big chip here. Yeah. So basically, this is the new type of screen. So when you change the contrast, that chip is changing the brightness. So it's a little bit more complicated. We have one video and actually I reflow that chip and the screen stopped working. I mean, okay, let's say the system is set up on low brightness. Yeah? Why the screen is flickering? Hmm? I understand it's low brightness, but why is flickering? The backlight. Let me grab the thermal camera and try to have a look here. So here everything is fine. And here is the inverter. I mean, that inverter. Where is the inverter? Here. I mean, everything is cold. I mean, that inverter is not putting any effort. I mean, it's cold. It's nothing hot there. But that chip it is hot. This one. Okay, let's go on the screen connector. The laptop is still on. And let's check to see what is coming from the EC chip. Let me find the schematic of this board. So this is the schematic. So we have backlight power, okay, then we have system PWM signal input for timing and the backlight on off. Let's check those pins, yeah? Let's do it. So we have one, this one is not connected, right? Yeah, I have like 3.3 on it. Here I have like 0, 3 volts. Okay, what schematic is this one? 10.9. Okay, this is some kind of weird screen. So this is not the schematic. No, actually, it is the schematic. 1 second. Okay, so when I'm changing the brightness, nothing happened. Yeah, I found it. It was not that one. So our screen is like that. So backlight power is here. Then we have two wires, enable and PWM, which are full. So we know for sure our screen is faulty. You see those signals? Yeah. We have 3 volts, I checked. We checked together, it's 3 volts here. And then we have the battery voltage. So those values are maxed out, pin 22 and 23. So it should work, and it's not working. That's the thing. The inverter is not working. At this point I will stop. It's no point. This is a faulty screen. You see, that's why it's good to have all these like spares, like, okay, a screen for testing. But this one is weird. On this one, the plus is not on one side. The plus is on the middle. Yeah, you see in the schematic. So this laptop needs exactly this screen, because the power on the PWM has 3 volts. I believe this is a faulty screen. So I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna speak with the customer, and we'll see if you want to order the screen or not. But you know, this video is just useful. Like 46 minutes, I can't believe. You know, just to know how to diagnose, in particular, this kind of screen. Yeah, this is like how I told you, it's a weird one because the brightness is not going to the inverter. Okay, good. See you later. You know what? We are like 15 minutes later. I ordered the screen. You can believe that. And I tell the customer I ordered the screen. The customer insists. The other customer replace the screen. It's something what I didn't check, and I want to check now. Yeah. So I will power on this laptop again. Yeah. Okay. This is something what I didn't check, and the laptop is not coming on. So no, it is coming on. Yeah, it is coming on. It's something what I didn't check, and I want to check. Good. So the laptop is on. Let me check the input voltage. I mean, we checked together the input voltage, right? Yeah, we did check the input voltage. Which is there, right? Let me check to be sure. I don't want to play with dangerous things here. So one more time, we checked here, and it is 11.8. Okay, 10.8. Is 10.8? 10.9. So I'll come with 11 volts with the power supply. 11 volts, yeah? Exactly there. Short. What is short? You have to be kidding me. Oh, that's sick. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's insane. That's I have to cancel. Let me cancel the order. 1 second. 1 second. Let me go and cancel the order. Lol, I can't believe. Let me cancel the order quickly. My eBay. Let me cancel the order. More action. Cancel the order. I ordered by mistake. Yeah, right? I did order by mistake. Check that. We'll see if the seller can. Yeah, can cancel. What do you mean? I just ordered like 10-15 minutes ago. I canceled the order. I mean, how can I do this kind of mistakes? Check here, yeah? You pay attention. So coming with the power supply, I can't see anything. Let me just see where it is. Yeah, I see where it is, yeah? Check here. Check. Check on the screen. 260 milliamps. You know what? That's sick. That's crazy. But if I check with the multimeter, yeah, don't get me wrong. If I check with the multimeter, everything is fine. Check here, yeah? Same spot. Check that on the screen, 10.6. This is no voltage, and I will prove it. I will prove it to you. This is not. This is AC. This is PWM. So I'm getting PWM on a power rail, which is supposed to be the main power rail. When I say main, it's used the whole laptop. Yeah. Let me grab the oscilloscope. I'm gonna prove it. 1 second. 1 second. This is crazy. I never found this fault before. I mean, something must be dodgy on the main power rail. Yeah. It's a fuse. Yeah, probably it's not a fuse. No. Listen, I think I know what it is. I think it's a thermistor. Some laptops, they don't have fuses. They have thermistors. So let's check together. Ground. Check there. I am on the same point where we check like nearly 11 volts. You see? This is crazy. Check there. Check the signal. Uh-huh. I should have a straight line. You know what I mean? I should have a straight line. But I don't. That's why this screen is not working. Let me try something. Let me short this resistor here. Not sure if the problem is from here, but let's short it. The problem is not from here. It's from the laptop. You know what? It make me think. We checked with the thermal camera. And it's like no heat there. I mean, you know what I mean? It's no heat. It's no heat means no current. And that's made me think. Hopefully the seller will cancel the order. That's crazy. Well, I never ever found this fault. Never ever. Never ever. I mean, I have some current, but I have some PWM current because with any power supply, you take any switching power supply and you add a resistor in the serial mode with the power, which is coming into the power supply, yeah? The power supply, it will modulate in amplitude that line. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's crazy. Crazy. Okay, let's go into the laptop. Because I believe probably the issue is from here. And you know what? I told the customer, I told him, let me show you the email. I told him, I can't show you. Okay. Okay, there's some email address here. I told him, I ordered a screen for that laptop, and he texted me back. Sorry, but customer already tried to replace. Not already tried. He replaced already the screen, and it's not the screen. And I said, you know what? I spent 45 minutes, so I do believe it's the screen. But then, I was thinking, wait, 1 second. There is like no current draw at all. And I knew, if you have a resistance on a serial mode with a power supply, the inverter is a power supply. If you have a resistor, like what we have, like we have like some PWM, so you have only some spikes of the voltage, which the multimeter cannot see them. Yeah, the multimeter, it will take the highest value. It will not take the RMS. So of course, my cheap multimeter. But yeah, that's insane. Crazy, crazy. Okay, let's find the fault. I mean, this was a hard job. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I spent 45 minutes on the diagnostic. Probably I will edit the video, but 45 minutes on the diagnostic. You know what? Nah, I will not edit the video. Nah, maybe you can take something useful. You can, quick forward if you want to skip. I believe it's a thermistor. I don't believe it's a fuse, but we're gonna see now. Or, you know what can be? Can be a chip, which is actually switching off the screen voltage. But we're gonna find now. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. So what do we have here? Thermistor. Thermistor. I can't believe. Check that. You have the thermistor there. That's crazy. One second. What thermistor? Wait. We have two thermistors. That's crazy. So what do we have? No. 1 second. We have like three thermistor here. So we have 1, 2, 3. And I believe our thermistor must be this one. No, this one is coming from a chip. Okay, I'm confused now. I'm confused, but it's one of those. This one has 0 ohms. This one has 0 ohms. And this one has 50 ohms. You can believe that? 50 ohms. That's sick. Okay, let's check the voltage. $11.7. You check that, 11.7, and after this we have 11.7, but has 50 ohms. That's sick. I'm kind of happy when I find these kind of tricky faults, because this is like a Tom and Jerry. The laptop try to trick you, and you have to figure it out. That's crazy. Okay, let's. No, we are not disconnecting the battery. No. We are performing a surgery here. Let's use a proper calibrated fuse, right? Perfect. Come on, stay there. Insane job. Yeah, all done. Yeah, so we soldered a proper calibrated wire. Yeah, of course, it's just a joke. Now let's power on the laptop. Pressing the power button, which is here. We have picture. That's crazy. It's working. And the brightness? Well, I can't change the brightness. That's crazy. And I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why I cannot change the brightness. This can be a driver issue. We check the both pins from the EC chip, yeah, the power on and the PWM, and both was 3 volts. I should check the PWM with the oscilloscope. It doesn't help me. What do you want me to do? To order another screen? Replace the EC chip? It's nothing what I can do. The job is done. I mean, it is what it is, but it's nothing more what I can do here. And now the voltage there, if you ask yourself the voltage, it will be the same. You'll not see a difference on the voltage, on the screen voltage. So on the thermistor we have 11.3. We have on the thermistor. Yeah, you won't see a difference. You will not see difference. What a tricky job. Yeah, okay, I'll speak with the customer because this is still an issue which I can't fix it, yeah? So either it's the EC chip, either it's a driver issue or a screen problem. This is not something what I can fix. Okay, hopefully you enjoy this video. I'll put it all back together. But just have in mind, yeah, just have in mind. Just because you see there 11 volts, that doesn't mean it's 11 volts. And I know there are some multimeters, they will beep when you have the PWM signal instead of DC. But no, not my one, not my one. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I'm just we are learning, we are learning. So next time I will know. Next time I will know. Okay, so I'll stop now. I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. But this was probably on top one, the trickiest fault I met. But we do have videos. We do have videos with faulty thermistor. But it was like faulty, was not working at all, and that was easy. Okay, no voltage on there, and yeah, thermistor. But this one. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.